children, welcome to the science class. This is the 5th standard, 4th lesson. The name of the lesson is Safety and First Aid. Safety and First Aid. Okay, first the warm-up activity is look at the pictures carefully there. The question is, how can you avoid the accidents shown in the given pictures? The first one, by not riding bicycle on busy road. Yes, what is that? By not riding bicycle on busy road. The second one, by drying the hands before using switches. By drying the hands before using switches. The third one, by taking proper lessons before swimming. By taking proper lessons before swimming. Fourth one, by playing in parks and not on the road. By playing in parks and not on the road. Okay, the next, go to the checkpoint. Yes, these are the rules. We avoid the accidents. If we follow these rules, we avoid the accidents. Checkpoint, tick the correct statements. The first one, we should not attend to an injured person on the road. Yes, that is the false statement. Why? Because we should immediately help an injured person on the road. The second one, it is important that the sprained area is moved much to get relief. This statement is also false. Why? Because it is very important that the sprained area is not moved much to get relief. The third one, an anti-tetanus injection is required in case of dog bite. That is false. Why? Because an anti-rabies injection is required in case of a dog bite. Fourth one, applying a paste of baking soda and water on the burn provides relief. Statement is true there. What is that? Applying a paste of baking soda and water on the burn provides relief. Next, we will do the exercise part now. The first question A, tick the correct answers. First one, tetanus is caused by the rusted piece of iron. Second one, nail polish, naphthalene balls and paints may contain poisonous chemical. Third one, which of the following is an antiseptic solution? Dettol. Fourth one, anti-venom injections are given to a victim in case of a snake bite. Fifth one, a fractured bone should be given support with the help of a splint. The next, fill in the blanks. Okay, in the box, water, medicines, cats, first aid, anti-tetanus, dogs, fire extinguishers. Yes, with this help of the words, we have to fill in the blanks. Okay, the first one, dash is the immediate help given to a sick or an injured person. The first aid. Second one, the saliva of animals such as dash and dash carries rabies viruses. The dogs and cats. Third one, we should never put out fires caused due to electric short circuits with dash. The water. Fourth one, a dash is a special metallic device containing water or some other substances that can be used for putting out fire. That is fire extinguishers. Fire extinguisher. Fifth one, an dash injection is given if a cut has been caused due to rusted piece of iron. That is anti-tetanus. Anti-tetanus. Sixth one, destroy all dash which have crossed their expiry dates. That is medicines. The C question, state true or false. The first one, a sprain is a minor injury and never requires treatment by a doctor. The false. Why? Because a sprain is a major injury and requires treatment by a doctor. Second one, a person suffering from a nosebleed should be asked to breathe through the mouth for some times. Yes, that is true. A person suffering from a nosebleed should be asked to breathe through the mouth for some time. Third one, the victim of a snake bite should be moved vigorously. The false. Why? Because the victim of a snake bite should not move. Fourth one, naphthalene balls can be left around for the children to play at home. False. Yes, why? Because the naphthalene balls cannot be left around for the children to play at home. Fifth one, lighters are safer than matchsticks. Yes, this is the true. Next one, the D part, answer the following questions. Short answer questions. The first one, what is first aid? Answer, the immediate help given to a sick or an injured person before taking him or her to the doctor is called first aid. The second question, differentiate between a sprain and a fracture. Answer, sprain, fracture. A sprain occurs when a part of our body turns or gets twisted and swells up. In a fraction column, when a bone in the body breaks or cracks, it is called fracture. Second one, it can cause swelling and sometimes discoloration of the skin. In a fraction column, it can cause swelling of the affected area. The third question, is what can be used as a splint in case of fracture? Answer. Any easily available articles such as magazines, a piece of cardboard or wood, or a pillow around the injured bone can act as a splint. Fourth one, how is rabies caused? The saliva of some animals such as dogs, cats, monkeys and wolves contain germs. When these animals bite someone, they release these saliva into the skin of the victim. This saliva can cause a deadly disease called rabies. Fifth one, what is fire extinguisher? Answer. Fire extinguisher are the special devices by the means of which fire can be put out. Okay, this is the short answer questions. The exercise part is completed. Thank you one and all.